Welcome to my channel. Good morning, 10:30 a.m. na. Sobrang late namin lumabas. And nag-breakfast lang saglit dun sa Namki noodles. Simple breakfast, pero masarap. So, for our day 3 itinerary, marami tayong pupuntahan kasi pupunta tayong Macau. First is breakfast, tapos na natin yan. Tapos pupunta tayo ng Sunny Bay MTR Station para pupunta tayo sa terminal ng bus number 5 na pupunta sa HZMB Port. Tapos, sa HZMB Port, bili tayo ng ticket para sa public bus going to the Macau Hong Kong Bridge and take bus 101X or 102X to go to Senado Square, alight at ruins of St. Paul, explore ruins of St. Paul, then lunch elsewhere, then visit Senado Square, ride bus to City of Dreams, then go to Londoner, Venetian, and Parisian, then head home. Punta na kaming Yaumate Station para we will take the MTR to go to Sunny Bay Station. Sobrang convenient itong aming hotel kasi ayan, ilang tumbling lang, nandito na agad kami sa MTR station. Trend 1 line. Then we are going to lighting to transfer to Chungchung Line. Chungchung Line is na Disneyland Resort Line. Then just going to Disneyland. Disneyland train. Ito yung Disneyland Resort. And then, check the City Bus B5, Hongzhongzhuai, Macau Bridge, Hong Kong Port. This is the one that we will take. Ayan now, Mickey Mouse train going to Disneyland. And then we will take towards the immigration. We will take bus public transport interchange. Yan. That one. Public transport interchange. Follow B5. B5, B5, B5. B5, HZMB, H2 Port. Almost finished na boarding ng mga tao. We had 10 minutes of waiting. This bus frequency is every 10 to 12 minutes. So it's not really a very bad wait. But for now, the only thing is the waiting area is not air conditioned and it's hot outside. And during summer, probably this will be a problem. But for now, that it's spring and the weather is cold, so it's okay. You can purchase shuttle bus tickets from HZMB to Macau at ticket counters and vending machines within the HZMB Hong Kong port or online in advance. The price for one-way public shuttle bus fare is 65 Hong Kong dollars or 480 pesos, cheaper than taking a private bus or ferry, which is ranging from 160 to 175 Hong Kong dollars or 1,100 to 1,300. I noticed that there are a lot of elderly people in the bus with us. So the bus experience is doable even for elderly people.
So this is the Hong Kong port going to Macau na. We have passed by immigration, that's the departure hall, and then this is the bus station going to Macau. We will just follow the signs.
There are three ways to get to Macau from Hong Kong, either by private bus, by ferry boat, or public transport. So the price for private bus is around 1,000 something. And if by ferry is 1,300 pesos. I have listed the pros and cons on which transport to take. So screenshot nyo na lang. This is what to expect with private bus, ferry, and public bus. So for us, we choose the public bus because that's what's fitting for us. Not only that it's very much cheaper compared to the ferry and the private bus option, we could also experience the scenic views and avoid
To
seasickness.
Macau. Ayan, may to Macau. Yung boarding na yan, diretso na.
And traveling time is almost the same with the public bus, the ferry, or the private
Macau
bus.
Terminal.
We were just on time to reach the bus. It's almost going to leave na. There is no waiting time. Otherwise, kung na-miss namin itong bus na to, we will have to wait, I think, 30 minutes for the next bus. Let's sit back and enjoy the ride. time checks, it's 1:15 in the afternoon and we have passed the immigration sa Macau. Medyo haba ng pila sa immigration. Tapos, kailangan mo lang talagang pumila dun sa tamang line. Such as line number 13, 14, or 18. Kasi yun ang para sa visitors. Tapos manual ang entry nila sa ating passport, hindi scan. So, kailangan lang din yung white small paper na binigay nung pumasok ka sa Hong Kong para i-check yun ng officer at scan nila manually at okay na. Pero sobrang haba kasi ng pila ngayon kaya matagal ang aming pagdating dito sa terminal. Pero yung bus ride was only like 40-45 minutes talaga. Pagkalabas mo ng immigration at sa port ng Macau, merong mga signage papunta sa bus terminal. Merong bus papunta sa mga tourist spots, 101X and 102X. Yun ang public buses. Ang fare ay 6 Hong Kong dollars. Pero meron daw free bus shuttle punta dun sa mga casinos and hotels. Pero dediretso ka naman dun sa mga casinos, hindi rin pupunta sa ibang tourist attractions kagaya nung sa ruins of Saint Paul. Time check, it's 2:12 p.m. Tapos nakarating na kami dito sa area ng ruins of Saint Paul, pero sobrang daming tao. So, and it's already 2 plus in the afternoon, wala pa kaming lunch. Kaya maghanap muna kami ng magandang kainan.
May char siu. Gusto ko tong pork char siu. Meron din siya. Puro may check ko ano. So, ayan.
Chinese, Western. We have a rice set with the drinks.
Okay. Meron rice set na.
We found a restaurant, something with familiar foods. Kaya tinry namin ito. Pero nasa basement pala ang dining area nila. Pero ang ganda ng mga design nila. Parang instead of Macau, parang nasa Morocco feels ako. So many colors and so many styles. Sa tiles pa lang. Tapos, hindi rin maingay dito kasi nasa basement. The name of this restaurant is Aaron. Tapos Portuguese daw siya pero may mga Chinese na menu. And looking at their price, okay naman, fair and reasonable for a touristy area. Mas affordable siya siguro sa iba. Kaya magandang choice ito. First time namin dito sa area na to. Tapos first time din namin kumain, at least nakapunta kami sa magandang restaurant na may mga Filipino staff pa.
Gusto ko i-try to. Yun sa'yo.
Isang number 6, ma'am.
Yeah.
Medyo busog pa naman ako. Titingnan ko na lang ano bang mga...
Sir, eto, more on snack, pineapple bun, eto po siya. And then dito more on snacks din, may egg tart din po tayo.
May egg tart din ito.
Ma'am, ano yung coffee, lemon tea, honey chamomile, watercress, cola, tsaka Sprite po.
Milk tea na lang. Milk tea.
So we ordered coconut chicken, just like a tinola with gata sa atin. Tapos pineapple bun and egg tarts. And for our drinks, tinry namin yung milk tea. Pero tip lang, pag mag-order tayo ng cold drinks dito sa Aaron or maybe anywhere else, may additional na $5 for the ice maybe or whatever. Tapos na kami kumain and we will head now to ruins of Saint Paul. As for the restaurant, masarap naman siya. Maybe I can rate it to 8 over 10, but highly recommended ang milk tea nila. Fun fact about this place, the ruins of St. Paul was constructed from 1602 to 1640 by Jesuit priests who traveled to the Far East to spread Catholicism. The site originally included St. Paul's College and the Church of St. Paul, also known as Mater Dei, a Portuguese church dedicated to St. Paul the Apostle. Located at the top of a hill, the structure was the largest church in Asia at the time and was acclaimed as the Vatican of the Far East. Its existence was meant to express the triumph of the Roman Catholic Church through the ornate grandeur of the buildings. The original structure was made of wood, which burned down in a fire during a typhoon in 1835, leaving only the beautiful granite facade and a grand staircase of 68 stone steps leading up to it. It's just so amazing that this structure is already 400 years ago, and yet we get to experience it. There is so much story behind the rubbles of this place talaga.
So, dati, these are all the simbahan. And it became, wala na. Ito na yung ito yung original na mga stones niya. So, ito yung nangyari. 1970, 1930, 1875. It was still a full church that time. So, bali, ano lang ito, yung facade lang talaga ang na-preserve nila. Pero, parang ini-strengthen lang ito.
This is a UNESCO Heritage Park already. That's why wala na daw holy masses dito. There are more attractions within the area such as this. Kung may time, pwede nyo i-visit ito. From the ruins of St. Paul, naglakad kami ng konti, mga 15 minutes. We reached to the Senado Square. Some fun fact about the Senado Square. This was named after Leal Senado, a meeting place of the Chinese and Portuguese in the 16th and 18th centuries, located directly in front of the square where Leal Senado building stands today. In 1940, a small garden was built at the center of the square, featuring a bronze statue, Vicente Nicolau de Mesquita, standing above a stone pillar pulling out a sword. The statue was pulled down in the 1223 incident as Mesquita was responsible for the deaths of many Qing Chinese soldiers. A fountain was built at its site and still stands today. Vast majority of the building around the square are European styled and many are protected monuments. The square entire area was covered by Portuguese pavement in the early 1990s and designed by a pedestrian-only zone. Many large events in Macau were hosted on the square. These include festival celebrations, flea markets, and performances. From Senado Square, sumakay kami ng bus papunta ng City of Dreams. Kasi nandun din yung mga Venetian, Parisian, tsaka si Londoner.
Then, over there is the Londoner, Venetian, and then City of Dreams, the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is there. It's a replica, actually. It's just a replica. Wala City of Dreams sa Philippines. Wala ba? So beautiful.
The Londoner is a major integrated resort, entertainment center, casino, and mall on the Cotai Strip of Macau. It's a complex based on London scenes, landmarks, themes, and British charm. The mall area looks like the streets of London. There are installations of black cabs, red double-decker buses, sculpture of Queen Victoria. There is a 10 Downing Street scene with the statue of Winston Churchill, Crystal Palace atrium with large winged angel of victory fountain, and Royal Albert Hall atrium called Shakespeare's Hall. The replica of the Elizabeth Clock Tower rises 96 meters, the same height as the original. The limestone construction houses a modern digital clock that is just as reliable as the original.
Ah, paisa. Yan, paisa. Wow. Ang ganda. Curiosity shop. I'm curious. Duty free. Sustainable kasi wala nang kailangang light. Longchamp. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sobra. Oh my gosh. Full charge pa si ano. Ang kaning ano picture ta anihan. At Venetia, Burberry, Golden Goose, and Naughty.
We are now entering the Venetian Resort. This is a replica of the famous canals and architecture icons of Venice, Italy, with 3 indoor canals and gondola rides. This is a 39-story and renowned to be the largest casino in the world and the largest single-structure hotel in Asia, boasting 3,000 suites, 3 indoor canals with gondola rides, and 1 million square feet of shopping.
Snyder.
The Parisian Macau, a French-themed luxury hotel, features a half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower. There is also a vast shopping mall and a 1,200-seat theater offering a taste of Parisian charm in Macau. The replica of the Eiffel Tower stands 525 feet tall. Time check, it's 6:20 in the evening and it's a good time to go back na. So we opt to ride the free shuttle bus, which is located at the Hotel West lobby of the Venetian Hotel, and these are the schedules of the bus timings at Hotel West lobby.
Time check. 6:29. Kasi yung London kasi kahit nasa kapag natin right? So we're waiting the bus to see the lights. Fuji City pala.
巴士即祝閣下旅途愉快，下一站為澳門倫敦人。我們即將到達。
Gusto ko yung Macau, malupit siya. Wala na.
Time check, it's 8 p.m. na. Nakarating na rin kami dito sa HZMB Port and we will ride again the bus number B5 going to Sunny Bay Station. Mabilis lang din ang biyahe, about 40 minutes lang din. Smooth sailing yung aming trip. Although hindi ako nakakuha ng mga footages, but it was very serene. The lights lang ng bridge ang makikita. Hindi naman makita na ang dagat kasi gabi. Pero overall, it was a good experience. Kararating lang namin sa Mongkok and 9 p.m. na, hindi pa kami nag-dinner. So, hanap kami ng magandang kainan and nakita namin si Cafe de Royal. Very popular din ito sa mga Filipino, sa mga na kumakain dito kasi maraming variety talaga sila. And hindi rin sila mahal. Very affordable ang prices. So, we paid 124 Hong Kong dollars. And ang in-order namin ay parang pork with rice at saka clay pot chicken soup. Highly recommended talaga ang food nila. 10 out of 10. Napakasarap. Tapos na kami kumain and babalik kami saglit sa Sneaker Street at saka yung sa Ladies Market. Baka may mabili lang. Pero after that, uwi na and sleep na.